Hey folks, it is Tuesday, November 23rd, and here is your daily forecast. So the first thing that I want y'all to do is to understand the difference between summary and analysis. And so watch this mini lecture right here. And then what we're going to do, because we have read the writing studio sample for homework, is we're going to actually go back to that writing studio sample, specifically the final revised draft. And what I want you to do is I want you to copy it into a new document, like copy the revised draft, paste it into a new document, and then do this exercise. And what this is going to do is highlight for you the difference between summary and analysis, like a real hands-on practice of that. So what I want you to do is highlight the things in yellow that will highlight the central argument in yellow, and then identify the central claim. So an argument is like the broad thing that people say in the intro, and then there are supporting claims that like fold throughout the document, right? And there'll be like 3 or 4 in the piece, and they should be really clear. So highlight those in green. And then for each of those claims, what I want you to do is use the word processing tools to do the following. So highlight any of the summary, so where the person's summarizing what happens, do that in blue, right? And then highlight any examples that the student uses to support their claims in purple, right? And then underline moments where the student author explains why these plot points are example and relevant to their argument. And then I want you to highlight any references to secondary academic sources in pink. And then I want you to italicize any moments where the writer connects the dots between the academic sources and then how it applies to their argument, right? So for instance, when you see the person reference, I don't know, say Tobin or whomever they talk about, how do they connect the dots so that readers can follow their argument, right? So italicize those parts. So that is what we're going to be doing in class today, and it should take some time. So once you've done that, I want you to head over to Pop Writing Check-In 4 and just compose a 3 to 4 sentence reflection on just how the exercise has helped you, because it's supposed to, right? Because we don't often take a specific deep dives to look at the parts of someone's analysis. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah, that's it. For homework, what I want you to do is, using that writing studio sample as a guide, just create an outline for your paper that does this sort of following stuff. Also, rewatch your film, especially if it's like a feature-length film, rewatch that for both. If you can watch it on a computer, it's a really good idea to screenshot images that might be helpful to your argument, so go ahead and do that. Yeah, and then that's what we're doing, and we do not have class on Thursday, right? So that's it, friends.